Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Volkswagen Touareg key battery. It's a straightforward process that you can easily do yourself with just a few common items. First, make sure you have a fresh CR2032 coin battery ready. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or a similar thin tool to help open the key fob without causing any damage. Let's get started. Now, let's open up your key fob. Begin by pressing the Volkswagen logo button on the fob. This will release the emergency key. Pull this key completely out and set it aside. Next, look for a small slot or notch along the edge of the key fob casing. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this opening and gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the fob. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery, typically a CR2032 coin cell, often held in a small tray. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pop out the old battery. Be careful not to bend any contacts. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, making sure the positive side, which usually has a plus sign, is facing upwards. Press it down firmly until it clicks into place. Almost done. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing and press them together until they snap securely into place. Then, slide the emergency key back into its slot until you hear a click, indicating it's locked. Finally, test your newly reassembled key fob by pressing one of the buttons. You should see a small indicator light illuminate. Confirm it works with your vehicle, and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.